My name is Aurélien Damy. I'm 31. When I was young at school, I wanted to become a doctor. Every morning I take the boat out for fishing. I wanted to be a community health worker because I wanted to cure the people. Thanks to UNICEF, I've been trained, and now I can treat 3 sicknesses. In the afternoon, I work as a health worker. The fatal diseases here are diarrhea, malaria and pneumonia. As the health worker for this area, I'm responsible for 900 people. My community is in good health now, so I want to thank everyone who gives money to UNICEF.